Do you know how Integra can help you? If you work in the pharmaceutical industry, you probably know that for a company to market a new drug product, it needs to submit a regulatory dossier which will be evaluated by the regulatory agency. Upon evaluation of the dossier, the agency will issue a deficiency letter in case there's any gap, things that need clarification, or that are not according to their expectation. Integra has a team who is prepared to provide scientific and regulatory support from the performance of due diligence until elaboration of the dossier, as well as helping with responses to deficiency letters in an integrated way. Hence our name, because we rely on a multidisciplinary team, including the technical, analytical, and regulatory points of view. Our experience comprises the registration of synthetic and semi-synthetic drug products, vitamins, and also biologics, a class of increasing importance in the worldwide pharmaceutical scenario. Many times, a company already has approval of a drug product in a certain country and would like the same to be approved in Brazil as well. Since there are some specificities when it comes to the regulatory requirements for Brazil, our team can also support the tropicalization of dossiers, that is, adjusting the documentation so that it can be approved by Anvisa. But many things happen until the industry can send a dossier to the regulatory agency. The company will usually obtain the API from a supplier who needs to be qualified. Our team helps companies with quality audits, obtaining the GMP certificate issued by Anvisa, in the process for supplier selection, evaluating drug master files, and requesting for a CADIFA. Once the API is defined, the pharmaceutical and analytical development teams work to obtain a drug product with the appropriate quality and safety. Analytical methods need to be developed and validated. Force degradation and stability studies need to be conducted, and our team can support not only the pharmaceutical development, but we also have a vast analytical experience to help the industry with any potential challenge in these analytical studies. In case a project also requires an analytical standard to be synthesized, we have a sister company dedicated to synthesizing these standards, Bind. Moreover, an essential part of developing any drug product is the evaluation of impurities. After all, an impurity above the permitted limit may present safety issues, which both the industry and the regulatory agency want to avoid. The evaluation must include organic impurities, mutagenic and not mutagenic, nitrosamines, elemental impurities, residual solvents, extractables and leachables. Our team has a broad experience to be able to support the control of any of these impurities, including toxicological assessments for qualification of impurities which may be found above the qualification threshold. Finally, using all the knowledge gathered in these steps, Integra is also capable of helping in more complex projects, where an in vitro-in vivo correlation can be necessary to prove the quality, safety, and efficacy of the drug product. We are ready to help with comparability studies, reducing the need for clinical trials, designing relative bioavailability studies, evaluating the viability of incremental innovations, new pharmaceutical dosage forms, new concentrations, and so forth. But our contribution goes beyond consultancy services. We are always aiming to share our knowledge in the best way possible, for example, through courses and trainings, not only for the industry, but also for regulatory agencies. And all this is only a part of the services we offer. To know more, take a look at our website or reach out to our team directly. We will be very happy to support you.